Hello. Hello. Welcome back. Farmers Market. You heard me. The Farmers Market. Here in Virginia. Buying fresh, cooking fresh. Let's create. So this is the Farmers Market here in Pennsylvania. It's about to close, so people closing stuff up. And I always come to this Ochoa Produce place to get some of my spices. See, this is this is as fresh as it gets. Oh, they have strawberries too. And a lot of other stuff. Yeah, I love the farmers market. So I am in the Ochoa family. Do you mind being in the camera? Say hi. I need some thyme, oregano, menta.
Menta ahora no hay.
No hay.
Menta no, solo bonches de menta.
Okay. Esto también. Look at this stuff from the farmers. This is beautiful. This is beautiful.